Have you ever wondered how some designers make thousands of dollars selling simple brand kits while you're still struggling to create one logo that looks professional? What if I told you that building and selling brand kits is actually super easy when you know the right steps? And you can even do it even if you have never designed anything before. I totally get it. You see all these amazing brand kits in Amazon and Etsy selling for $50, $100, or even $200. And you think, I wish I could create something like that. But every time that you try, you get stuck. Maybe you don't know what to include in a brand kit, or you have no idea how to price them and sell them. It's honestly so frustrating when you have the creativity but not the know-how. But here's the thing, I've been researching successful brand kit sellers for months, and I have discovered that the ones making serious money all follow the same simple formula. They're not necessarily the most talented designers. They just know the exact steps to create professional looking brand kits that customers actually love. So today I'm gonna share those 5 exact steps with you. By the end of this video, you will know how to create stunning brand kits using Kittl, even if you're a total beginner. What to include to make them irresistible, and how to price them so they actually sell. This could literally be the game changer you have been looking for. And the first step is something that most people completely skip, but is actually the secret to create brand kits that sell like crazy. So I was looking at this Etsy shop that have made this amount of money selling brand kits, and I have noticed something super interesting. Every single one of the best-selling kits targets a specific type of business. They don't just make pretty logos. They make cozy coffee shop brand kits or modern wellness coach packages. You see the difference? So here's what you need to do first. Pick your niche. Think about the type of business that you want to target. Are you obsessed with cute bakeries or you love fitness brands? Pick one niche to start with. This makes everything easier because you will know exactly what style and colors to use. And customers will find you more easily when they search for their specific business type. So once you know your niche, we can move on into the step number 2. It's where the magic happens, and this is where Kittl becomes your best friend. And let me show you something amazing. Kittl just have released this new feature where you can create multiple logo variations super simple. And this is called Kittl Flows. You can create 5 different logo styles for a yoga studio in less than 20 minutes. And I will show you how to do it. And to start with this, the first thing that you have to do is just go and open your Kittl account. And if you don't have one, you can click the link in my description and you can create one completely for free. Once you have opened your Kittl account, it's going to look exactly like this. And over here, we just have to go and click in New Project. Now, on this section, we just gotta go and start with our logo. And to do this, we're just gonna go to the section of marketing. On here, we're just gonna go and find the logo option. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna click in Create. Now we can begin with the creation of our logo. And to do this, you have 2 ways. The first way is you can go and generate your logo from scratch. Otherwise, you can go and use the help of Kittl AI. And Kittl have a specific section on the section of tools to generate this logo. We're just going to click in Design Generator and we will find the logo creation. Now it's over here where we have to go and specify the type of logo that we're going to be creating. So you can go ahead and then just add this as a prompt. And I would recommend you that you leave it as simple as you can so the AI focus on getting the best results. So I'm just going to be creating my logo for a bakery. Once you add your niche, we can go and add our styling. So you can go and choose the colors or you can go and describe your color palette. And I think for mine, I'm just going to keep it on pink and purple. What I really like about Kittl is that we can go and we can create different styles from here. That's why we don't really need to add a lot of things in the prompt because we also have these options so the AI generates the best results for your logo. So I think I'm just going to keep it on cute. And now you can click in Generate. And over here we got some very nice options. So I actually really like this one, so I can go and then just add it. But if you don't like any of the options, you can always click in Generate again. And now we have generated the logo for our brand. So I think I really like it this part of here, so I'm going to be using this, and I'm just going to be adding it into my logo section. So over here it's very nice, and there we go, we have it over here. And then you could even go and only use parts of the design. So if you just like the font from here, but then you want to add different things, you can always go and then just take the AI creation as base and then just add more stuff yourself. So I think for mine this is very good. I think I will only be using this, and I don't really need this part, so I'm just gonna go and then delete it. And there we go, I can actually go and make some changes myself, so this looks even better. So first of all, I'm just gonna go and click on group, and then from here we can see if we want this element or if we want to change it. I think for mine is not the best, so I really like this font combination, and we can click in generate again and then maybe take something else. Otherwise we can also go and generate it with AI. Now I generate again the design with the AI, but I actually like much more this option. So I'm just gonna go delete this, and then I'm just gonna take this section, and then I'm just gonna take this part. So it's the same logo, it's the same thing, same elements, and we just add it over here. And you can even go and change the color. So if we want it in pink, and we change it. And here we have it. I even really like this image, but I think for now we're just gonna go and stay with this. Over here you can go ahead and add the name of the brand, and then just keep customizing this logo till it reaches what your customer actually wants to match the brand. Now I really like this name and everything over here, but I don't really like these elements. I don't really think they give the message that we want to give with this bakery logo. So I'm just gonna go and create one with the help of AI. And to do this, I'm just gonna go back, and instead of clicking on the design general, we're just gonna click in the image generator. So it's over here where we can go ahead and generate our image. So what I really like about Kittl is that you can even go and add the style that you want your image on. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and select from the options that it already have over here. So for mine, I think I'm just gonna go click in show all, and we can take a look of which kind of element we would like. But I think for mine, because I really want it to be very cute and visually appealing, I'm gonna be choosing the kawaii, and I'm gonna go and try to generate my image. So I'm just gonna make a cute cake. And once we have our prompt, you can always go and select the aspect ratio. So for our logo, I will think that 1:1 it's perfect. And now we can go ahead and click in generate image. And now, as you can see, it already generated this cute element that I really like. So we can go ahead and use this one. Otherwise, you can always click in generate again, or you can go ahead and choose from all of these options that Kittl already have. So as you can see, we have a lot of them, so we can always go and use these ones as well. So I don't know, I think I really like this one. So we can go ahead and then just adjust it so something like this will fit very cute with my logo. And I'm just gonna go and click in remove background, so we only stay with the cake, and then the white stuff just gets removed, and we can just play around. I think to make my logo even more customized, I will go ahead and change the fonts in the same color as my image. So I'm just gonna go click in text color, and then I'm just gonna click in this pointer, and then we can go and take the color from the image. So something like that works very well, and I'm gonna do exactly the same for these other sections. So I'm just gonna go take from here, and then maybe I'll take pink from here. And that looks much better. We also have to go and change the color of the element. So I'm just gonna go click and change, and we can take the same one as the font from here. So we're just gonna go and take the color from the document color. So from here, and that works perfect. I think that looks much better, and we can just go and adjust it so it fits perfectly our design. And there we have our first logo option. Now, moving on in this new incredible feature where you can create multiple logo variations super quickly, I would recommend you that at least you create between 3 and 5 logo variations using different fonts and effects. The key is giving your customer options so they can pick what feels right for their brand. And to generate more options out of this same style of logo, what we're going to be using is the Kittl flows. And this works like this. First of all, we have to go and select our logo. So we're just gonna go click over here, and then we can see these tools. So we have the mockups, but we also have the add smartboard. And it's from here where we can go and connect our first logo with our second logo. And you can do this with as many boards as you want. You can even go and then just generate one more. So let's say that I want to generate 3 of them. What we have to do is just go and click in duplicate and duplicate. And now out of this logo, we can generate 3 different options. And to do this, we have to go and select our board. So I'm just going to go and focus on this first one. And it's over here where you have to go and describe the details that you want to change from your first logo. So let's say that I don't want my logo to be cute. I want it to be vintage. We can just go and describe it over here and then just make the changes. So I'm just going to go and add my prompt, change the style to a vintage style. And over here we have the same options. You can either go and keep it in 1x1 or 3x2 or this other option. And to use this option, you will actually need credits. So as you can see, we have the high version of it for 6 credits or the low one for 2 credits. So depending on those options, you can go and select. And now we can click in generate. Now it's going to take a few seconds till it generates our new logo. And there it is. We have the exact same face of the logo, but the style is in the vintage style. And we can keep doing this with the other options. So as you can see, you don't have to go and then change again everything from scratch and then do that work for each version that you want to deliver to your client. You can go ahead and use Kittl flows and it will generate it for you in just seconds. So as you can see, I applied the exact same prompt but in different styles to see what it generated for my logo. And as you can see, all of them are exactly the same, but in the different styles that I wanted to try. And this took me less than 5 minutes to generate, and I really feel like all of these options are very high quality. And you can keep doing this till you generate few options for your client. Now from here we can go ahead and generate our brand kit. Now that we have created our logo, we can go ahead and generate our brand kit. We can take the colors, the fonts, the packaging, everything that the client needs to keep their brand consistency in every part of their business. And to do this, you can go and use our Kittl flow also. So I'm just gonna go and then I'm gonna ask to generate out of this logo the brand kit. So I just add the prompt and I click in generate. And as you can see, with that simple click, we already generate the complete brand kit with the different colors that we use, with the logo, with only the fonts with colors, and even some other options that the customers can use. And this took 1 more minute. Now that you have your brand kit, the step 3 is about creating the complete package that makes customers say, I need this. And the most successful brand kit sellers don't just sell logos, they create complete packages. I found a seller who includes 15 different items in her brand kits. Logos, business card, social media templates, letterheads, and even Instagram story templates. Customers love getting everything they need in one purchase. And to do this, it's super simple. We're just gonna go, we're gonna open Kittl again, and then from here, let's say that I want to generate a business card. What I will do is just click in business card and we can click in create. Over here, we just gotta go and upload our logo. And we just add our logo and we can leave it in the section where we want to leave it on our business card. So if our clients want to use this business card, they can go ahead and then just customize it a little bit more. So you add your logo and maybe you add some other details of your brand kit. So we just generate the design of the business card so our customers only go and change certain details. And when you send your brand kit, you also add all of this template, so you deliver also that with your brand kit. Step 4 is honestly where most people messed up, their pricing. But I'm going to share with you the secret formula that successful sellers use. I analyzed over 100 brand kit listings, and here's what I discovered. The brand kits priced between $45 and $85 get the most sales, but pricing too high scares beginners away. So here is a recommendation for your pricing strategy. Start with $45 for your complete brand kit plus the templates. This price feels professional but accessible. As you get more reviews and confidence, you can gradually increase to $75 or $85 But remember that you're not just selling designs. You're selling a complete solution that saves business owners tons of time and stress. And the final step is the one that turns your beautiful brand kit into actual sales. I studied the listing of top sellers, and they all do this one thing. They show their brand kits in action. Instead of just showing the logo on a white background, they create mock-ups showing the business card, desk, or the logo on a storefront, and the social media templates on a phone script. It helps customers visualize actually using the kit. And to do this is actually very simple. So once we're back in our logo, I'm just gonna go select it and we can click in mockup. It's over here where we can go ahead and generate mockups for our logo. So I'm just gonna look for a store sign, and over here I can click in this option. It's in this section where we can go and customize our logo so it fits perfectly in our mockup. So I think something like this works very well. I can visualize my bakery like right away when I see it in this kind of mockups. And as you can see, you have a lot of options. We can also use this one. This also is a very good example for us to show how our logo would look in a store sign. So something like this, and then we just adjust it, and there it is. That looks also very good. I really like it. And as you can see, you have so many options that you can choose from. So if you have a coffee shop, you even have this van, and you also have all of these options that helps our client to visualize their brand kit. I know this might feel overwhelming at first, but honestly, thousands of people are already doing this successfully. The beautiful thing about brand kits is that every single day new businesses are starting and they all need branding. You're not competing for any tiny market. You're tapping into a huge growing opportunity. And here is the best part. You don't need to be the world's most amazing designer. You just need to be organized, follow the steps, and use Kittl's incredible tools to create professional, good-looking results. The AI features literally guide you toward good design choices. And to use all of these amazing features of Kittl, you will have to spend some credits. When you open for first time your Kittl account, you will get 20 free AI credits. But after that, you will have to upgrade to a pro or an expert account. But don't worry, because I have great news for you. You will get a 25% discount on your first purchase using my special code. Now, if you're wondering what else you can do with the help of AI to generate extra income, you can take a look to my video of 3 digital products that you can create in Kittl and sell today. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.